guys, so I thought I'd do something a little bit different for my channel, so I've actually popped down to the XL Centre in London where they're hosting the London Motor Show. So I'm going to head in there, I'm going to show you some of the cars that they have on display and give you a bit of a tour really, so let's go and have a look. You can't help but notice that there is a guy there with an engine block on his head, there's another guy over there, but I have in fact found something that Matt will find very exciting behind me, which is some lovely tractors at a motor show. Okay, so I just spotted something that will excite me very much, which is a little Mini just over there. This is a pretty cool find. This is the Tesla shooting brake, which was featured on the Fully Charged show.
So we basically cut around here somewhere.
Yep.
And then this is all carbon fibre. Even this new strip here, this would have been chrome on the original car. That's carbon fibre.
Okay.
This obviously is new.
Yeah.
And that's carbon fibre. In fact, everything you see is on carbon fibre. The only thing that isn't carbon fibre is the spoiler on the back, and that's because carbon fibre attenuates DAB and radio signals.
Okay.
So all the aerials are mounted in there. The tailgate structure is carbon fibre. The rear structure that holds that's all carbon fibre, and it's bonded along here using aerospace bonding techniques. So it's bonded straight to the chassis. In fact, it's torsionally stiffer than the original Tesla because it has an extra rollover hoop at the back.
Okay.
It's 12 kilograms lighter than the original Tesla. And it's got 200 litres more storage space than a standard Tesla.
Okay.
And it still does 0 to 60.
Plenty of room for the dogs.
2.8 seconds, yeah, plenty of room for the dogs. Oh, and it's got a rear wash wipe, which a Tesla doesn't have.
Ah. Yeah, they come in handy.
They do. Yeah. So yeah, but you've got 3 inches extra headroom in there. So if someone of your stature,
excellent, yeah.
There's an umbrella in there, but don't let that worry.
Yeah.
You don't bang your head. You can't see it, but all the glasses are made by Pilkington, so that they meet European standards. Blah, blah, blah. So that what this is not is customisation.
Yes.
Customisation in my book is bolt filler, vinyl wrapping, bits of fiberglass and God knows what. This is an engineered product. The cars are scanned. Bolt tools were developed and engineered. The products that come off are manufactured in Codan, who produce stuff for the aerospace industries and the high Formula racing series types. The product is then assembled in our workshop, and we can turn a car around in 10 weeks.
10 weeks?
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
It's done by hand.
Yeah, of course. But it's very similar to like David Brown Automotive then, so they take the original Mini and then just modify it slightly.
Yeah. I mean they are coach builders as well.
Yeah.
We are only doing carbon fibre. It's the only thing we're doing.
Okay. So,
and we're going to concentrate on EV or hybrid. We're not doing any petrol-based vehicles or diesel.
Well, there's no point anymore, is there?
Absolutely.
So was this the first project that you guys worked on?
Yeah. And
have you worked on anything since?
There is other stuff coming.
There is other stuff coming. Will we see it on Fully Charged? Probably. Okay, cool. I look forward to that.
Yeah.
Brilliant. All right. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Pleasure to meet you. Thank you. so you may remember on my channel I did a video back in Barbados where I was in what I called a mini moke. In fact, that's what most people call it over in Barbados. More of a tourist thing. But that there is a mini moke, and this mini moke is an electric mini moke.